Hello, hello, hello. How y'all doing today? Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. So let's jump right in. I purchased some of these little the bag holders to put the potato chips. Put on the potato chip bag. I don't know, they seem to disappear. When I saw these in the Dollar Tree, I almost went berserk. These are the little mini Christmas trees. It's by Cobblestone Corners. And I am going to be decorating my, when I do my vendor booths and have my product display for the products that I sell, those will be perfect. So when I saw these, I thought these were too cute. They're silver, the spoon rest, and they're not too heavy, but they're not flimsy. They won't break or bend easy. So I grabbed two of those. I thought those were really cute. And my kitchen is stainless steel, so it will go perfect. And then I saw these. These are the bowls. They're not the round bowls that Dollar Tree have, but they are round. So, and these are the Royal Norfolk design. It's the brand that Dollar Tree carries. And I purchased 4 of these. I am going to be doing all white in my kitchen. So I washed these and pulled the sticker off of the back of them. And actually, they've been washed, but I need to dry them now. And I saw the plates that match. So I purchased 4 of those. And I'm going to put these here to let them dry. But I purchased a set of 4 bowls and 4 other, what do you call it? Is it a salad plate? It's not a saucer, so I guess it would be a salad plate. And it says it's microwave and dishwasher safe. So yeah, I will be transitioning all my dishes to white. I'll be donating the ones that I have now to Goodwill. And that's it, guys. I'll probably go and pick up, I think I'll do a place setting of 6, just to be safe. Yeah, so I will be back with another video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Press that little subscribe button. It's free to subscribe. Alright, y'all. So I had to go back and get the rest of the plates. And actually I got some more stuff that I needed from Dollar Tree. So we're going to just jump right in. So I purchased 6 of these. The plates, and of course they're by Royal Norfolk. And I have 6 of these. I'm not going to take them all out the bag. I also got 2 more of this size bowl. So that makes a set of 6 of the bowl. And I grabbed 2 more of the salad plates. So now I have a setting of 6. And I grabbed 2 of the Christmas trees. I'm going to be making centerpiece with those. I grabbed the little, what do you call these? Berries. I picked up a pillow. So I got the idea for stuffing your purses instead of using the newspaper and tissue and everything in your purse. How about you just stuff them with this little pillow right from the Dollar Tree? So then for my centerpiece, I purchased the what is it called? Floral foam. These two picks. I got two of these. The berries with the little flowers. And this. I have been looking all over Dollar Tree for the scarf that's in, and this is, it's almost the pattern that I'm looking for, but it's not. I was looking for that buffalo check pattern. I've seen a couple of YouTubers, they had the scarf from the Dollar Tree, but I've been to 2 Dollar Trees and none of them have them. So I kind of gave up, but I didn't. Then I went to Goodwill, and Goodwill had 75% off this week on the orange items. So this was 99 cents, and I figured I would make me a cornucopia. So it was 99 cents, but with 75% off, it came up to 25 cents. I picked that up. I also grabbed this picture. It was $3.99, but with 75% off, it's $1. So I thought this picture was kind of cute, but I'm going to do something to it, and it's just absolutely gorgeous for $1. So I'm going to make it over, and this wasn't on the sale. This wasn't a sale item, but I still purchased it when I saw it. I have 2 of these upstairs in my bedroom already, so when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I could add that to my collection. And then this one is $2.99. So that is that. And that's all for my haul today, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I'm so glad to have you guys watching my videos. Glad to have you to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you are an oldie but goodie, thanks for watching also. And I will see you guys in the next video.